Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan, and today I'm here to talk to you about the new HP 14-inch convertible laptop backpack. This functional and lightweight bag converts simply into 4 different styles, from laptop backpack to tote and foldable bag to handbag, all with a single strap, making it perfect for those who want a stylish bag for any occasion. First up, let's discuss how you can adjust this bag into a tote. You'll want to unclip one of the straps and remove it completely. With the other strap, unclip it from the bottom D-ring and connect it to the one directly above it, located in the middle of the bag. Next, remove the clip from the top D-ring and move it down to the one located below it. Be sure to adjust the strap accordingly. And just like that, you have yourself a tote, ideal for those shopping trips or casual outings. Next, if you wish to walk around with a fashionable foldable bag, all you need to do is merely reach in and rotate your 14-inch laptop horizontally and then fold the top of the bag down. It's as simple as that. You have yourself a foldable bag comfortably hanging across your body, keeping all of your essentials within easy reach. Want a classy handbag look? All you have to do is remove the straps completely, and that's it. This mode is perfect for those more formal occasions or a night out. Let's dive deeper into this 18-liter bag, its incredible features, and its versatility. When it comes to carrying your PC around, you can slide it in vertically or horizontally, allowing you more workable space. This is just one of the many ways this backpack caters to your unique needs. Another great feature is how you can seamlessly attach it to your rolling luggage with its trolley strap located on the back. You can say goodbye to the hassle, as this backpack becomes the perfect travel companion by securely attaching it to your luggage for a smooth journey. In addition, we kept durability in mind, and that's why this bag is designed with metal D-rings and buckles for heavy handling. In addition, the bottom is lined with a thicker fabric for the times when you need to set your bag down to quickly grab your belongings. Now, let's talk pockets, because who doesn't love pockets, right? We've got you covered with a total of 5 strategically designed pockets. Need quick access to your essentials? There's an external quick access pocket for that. Concerned about security? We've also included a protective RFID blocking pocket to safeguard your valuables. And on the inside, you'll discover 3 dedicated pockets for your belongings like your pens, journals, and other accessories, ensuring that everything has its own dedicated place. Let's not forget about sustainability. This bag contains 31 plastic bottles and consists of 60% post-consumer recycled plastic. We've designed it with the environment in mind, so you can feel good about taking it wherever you go. Thank you so much for checking out our new HP 14-inch convertible laptop backpack.